Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have just a really quick review for you. So I received this in the mail yesterday, and it's really cool. It's actually a drill bit. It will go into your nail drill. Here's mine right here. I saw someone using this on YouTube. I can't even tell you who it was that I was watching. I don't, for the life of me, remember who I was watching. But she used this bit to clean out her cuticles and sidewalls and everything. And I thought, oh my gosh, I need one of these. So I just went on to eBay, went on eBay and typed in nail brush drill bit, something like that. And this came up. And it wasn't expensive at all, just a few dollars. It's actually extra long. It's longer than most bits, and it comes in this cute little box, little container. And I just wanted to do a quick review on it because I know that, I don't know about you guys, but I struggle to get all the dust like out of the little nooks and crannies of my cuticles and my sidewalls and stuff like that. So I thought that when I saw it, it would be like an excellent way for me to make sure all that junk is from under my, or from out of my, the folds of my nail. So I'm using only one hand because I'm actually holding my phone because I didn't feel like getting my tripod. But it's really long. And they're firm bristles. They're soft, but, you know, firm. They're not all flimsy. So it'll definitely get in there. So I will, use it and show you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like on my drill. It's got a really long shaft on it. So, yeah, it sticks out quite a bit after I push it all the way in. There's still quite a bit sticking out, but it's really not, bothersome, not to me anyway. Yep. Cut it off. I have it on a low speed right now. And let's clean out the cuticles. Alright, so after using it, I did find that I needed it or felt more comfortable with it on a higher speed, well, medium speed. It's really soft. It doesn't irritate my skin. It didn't heat up or, burn my skin or anything like that. It was pretty soft, but it definitely got into the nooks and crannies and got the dust from out of my sidewalls and cuticles. Much better than anything else I have used to clean out my cuticles after I prep my nails. So I will definitely be using this as part of my routine when prepping my nails, and even after I have the acrylic on and I file and buff my nails. I will use this to get into the sidewalls, to get it in the cuticles, to get everything out of there. I love it. I really love it. So just if you're looking for one of these, it was really inexpensive. It was just a couple of dollars. I can't remember how much I paid for it. It might have been $2, maybe a little bit more, but not much more. If you're looking for one, just go on to eBay and type in nail brush drill bit, and some should pop right up for you. Okay, thanks guys for watching my review. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my other videos on my channel, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because as you guys know, I'm always having giveaways and sales and coupons and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Later.